What if the Milky Way collides with Andromeda tomorrow? Sounds like sci-fi, but it's actually on a highly predictable collision course that's been unfolding slowly. The Andromeda Galaxy is approaching us rapidly at 250,000 miles per hour, faster than any spaceship has ever traveled through normal space. Don't panic. The catastrophic collision won't happen for 4.5 billion years. Plenty of time to plan your elaborate, luxurious space getaway adventure thoroughly with experts. Galactic collisions are more like cosmic dances. Stars pass by each other without crashing. The merged galaxy will be a giant elliptical galaxy, not a pretty spiral like the Milky Way, which will likely lose its characteristic majestic spiral arms. Our solar system might get flung into a completely new position, or even ejected into the vast intergalactic space suddenly tonight. The chances of stars crashing into each other during the galactic collision are ridiculously low, creating an unexpected cosmic spectacle. The collision will trigger massive star formation as gas clouds collide and compress, generating intense shockwaves that heat surrounding material slowly. New stars will light up the night sky in a celestial fireworks display, creating spectacular visual effects and mesmerizing astronomers worldwide with their extraordinary beauty and rare occurrence slowly. Astronomers are still debating whether the massive collision will significantly affect Earth's climate or not, causing potentially severe environmental changes. Galactic collisions have shaped the universe as we know it. They're not rare events. These cosmic crashes reshape galaxies, triggering star formation and transforming the fabric of space. Some galaxies have collided multiple times, creating complex, messy structures through gravitational interactions and mergers that transformed their original shapes completely. The Andromeda Galaxy is actually a cannibal, having consumed numerous smaller galaxies in the distant cosmic past, leaving behind a trail of stellar debris. If we survive the catastrophic collision, our descendants will witness an incredibly spectacular and rare light show in the sky tonight, creating memories forever. The merged galaxy will be a unique, one-of-a-kind cosmic entity forming slowly, creating spectacular visual displays in the vast universal space surrounding it always. Galactic collisions can trigger the formation of new planetary systems gradually, releasing massive amounts of energy and complex astronomical events slowly. The collision will distort the shapes of both galaxies, creating tidal tails and streams, triggering massive star formation and spectacular cosmic displays simultaneously. Some stars will be flung out of the galaxy, becoming intergalactic travelers, hurtling through the vast unknown, their brilliant light fading slowly. The collision will be more like a slow-motion crash, taking hundreds of millions of years, unfolding gradually with immense gravitational forces at play. The universe is constantly changing, and galactic collisions are a natural part of its evolution, shaping stars and planets in complex ways always. Astronomers can simulate galactic collisions using supercomputers and complex algorithms, analyzing massive datasets to predict cosmic outcomes and transformations. The Milky Way has collided with other galaxies in the distant past, shaping its current complex structure slowly over billions of years. The collision will not destroy Earth or our solar system. It's too far away, actually a considerable distance, providing a sense of relief, but still creating massive cosmic tension suddenly. But the changing night sky might have a profound effect on human culture and wider society, influencing art, literature, and social behaviors significantly always. Galactic collisions can be used to study dark matter and its crucial role in shaping the universe's mysterious evolution and complex structures. The collision will be a unique opportunity for scientists to study galaxy evolution up close, observing complex interactions and transformations in detail now. Imagine being able to witness a galactic collision from a planet within the merged galaxy, experiencing the spectacular cosmic display of merging stars and gravitational waves unfolding majestically. The universe is full of mysteries, and galactic collisions are just one of many cosmic wonders waiting to be unraveled slowly. So, what will our descendants call the new merged galaxy when they reflect on our current civilization's achievements and technological marvels in the distant future now? Share this mind-blowing fact with friends and family. They'll be starstruck. Imagine their amazed faces lighting up when they discover the truth, and you'll be thrilled by their reactions too always.